Você está muito longe de casa. Aqui é o Brasil. Vira homem, porra. Aqui é o Brasil. Vira homem, porra. Aqui é o Brasil. Você está muito longe de casa. Aqui é o Brasil. Vira homem, porra.
Boasting my emotions, now coping while fucking dopeless. Let the dope hit, breathing slowly. Look, maybe I'll show you hopeless. Slow down, hello, scarecrow, no shadow. Bloody piano, sold out gallows. My mind so harrowed from tragic backwards. Waking up a trap, pop up, I'm a mess. Nose deep in narcotics, window shopping for my father's problems. Do you have some options? My hand up from gripping a pistol trigger, finger careless. My heart out to my girl, I know that loving me's a challenge.
Garbage what I'm spewing, sluggish how I'm moving. Dope is what I'm choosing. If you ask me how I'm doing, I'm cruising, coasting, using, dosing, just don't overdo it. Hoping I don't fucking lose it. Rope in hand, I'm tired of missing so. I got the night blacked out, lying on the bathroom floor. I ain't gon' back out, I ain't gon' lash out. I guarantee I'll have some more. I'm a never to the void head first. They tryna avoid said thirst. I'm tryna enjoy that worst things about me. Just to lay down in the fact that I'm for your.
I feel like I've hit rock bottom. where a trap door opens and I plunge further into despair.
God only gives us as much suffering as we can endure.
I mean, piles on the ship to see if we'll break? Why?
To test our faith.